What's going on, you guys? This is Jesse's Paint Jobs. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry that I haven't posted as much recently. As I told you guys in one of my last videos, I was actually moving into a new house. But I'm finally all settled in, and I'm going to start getting back into posting as frequently as possible. Thank you guys for all the love and support you guys have been showing me. I can't believe that how good my channel's doing, and thank you guys for 2,000 subscribers on my YouTube. I really appreciate it. And let's jump into today's video. So for our video today, we're going to be custom painting a hardtail Orbea mountain bike frame. This one is actually a pretty basic paint job, and I'm just painting the frame in a no fork, so it's pretty straightforward. As most of you guys know, especially the painters, even a simple paint job is a lot of work, so there's a lot for us to cover in this one, so let's get to it. So right here I was actually finishing up masking the frame. Want to make sure that everything's covered. You don't want paint to get into where you're going to be attaching any of the wheels or the cranks or where you clamp your seat into, so you got to make sure that you tape those things up, and you always want to double triple check, because there's nothing worse than painting something that shouldn't be painted. So we took care of all the taping and everything, and now I'm just spraying the bike with some black sealer. Alright, I got the whole bike hit with some sealer, and now we're gonna jump on to our black base. Alright, we hit the whole bike with black base, making sure that we got full coverage, and then I let that dry for about 10-15 minutes, and we're moving on to the logos. Like I said in the beginning, this is a pretty basic paint job, so I think in total there's only 3 logos that we're doing, so this one will be quick and easy. Now that we got all of our logos put onto the frame, it's time for us to jump onto our next color. This color is going to be like a purple, more of like a lavender purple, and it's really nice. I like this color a lot. And here it is, the bike is all sprayed with this nice lavender purple, and I'll give you guys a little close up so you can see what it looks like before the clear coat and before we take the stencils off. And now it's time for my favorite part, and in my opinion, the most satisfying part of the whole paint job. This is something that I could do all day, every day. If there's a shop out there or somebody that paints and doesn't like taking their stencils off of stuff, hire me to be your stencil removal guy. Alright, you guys, I screwed up. Alright, I told you guys I was going to be doing 3 logos on this frame. I completely forgot to do the third one. I think I was just in a rush in my head this day. But I actually, as you guys could tell, I only did 2. So let's go ahead and let's get that third logo put on there. It's not that big of a deal, but it does suck when you forget little things like that. Alright, you guys, we got that third logo all taken care of, and now we're good to go. So let's take care of this clear coat, and that way we can check out the finished product. And here's what the bike looks like all cleared in. Alright, that's all I have for you guys today. If you liked the video, please leave me a like. Please hit the subscribe button and be looking out for my future posts. I am going to start trying to post more frequently again now that I am all moved into my new house. But yeah, these projects, these custom paint videos, these are really fun for me, and I really enjoy doing it, and I'm glad that you guys enjoy watching it. If there's anything that you guys would like to see more of, or you'd like to have me get more into detail of, then please let me know. I do want to start posting like videos of me prepping frames, but I have people that help me prep the frames, so I don't do too much prep work. But I'm gonna try to put a bike aside and do the prep work myself and videotape it, so you guys can learn how I do it, and just so you guys get an idea if you're ever thinking of painting your own frame, or if you just want to see how the process is done. I definitely want to show that to you guys. And also, let me know, do you guys like having music in the background? Would you rather hear more of like the shop noises and what's going on? Just let me know down in the comments below. I would appreciate it. And thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for hanging out with me. And we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.